Hello, lovely people. This is Basima Bartapi. This is the last part of my Thailand vlog and the second part of my Safari World tour. This is the open zoo part. I'm gonna take you to and give you a full raw video and description of the Safari World. And if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Basima Bartapi. I make mostly travel vlogs, and this is actually my last part of the Thailand tour. And I hope you enjoy the video. I am not gonna talk throughout the video because I want you to experience what I have experienced while I was in the car. I was lucky to sit right next to the driver. He was an Indian driver, and he drive really slow, and for that reason I was able to take videos and photos very nicely. So भैया जी अगर आप ये देख रहे हो, so thank you so much. मुझे पता है कि it's not a big channel, but someday if you see my video, धन्यवाद सब कुछ आपने जो किया उसलिए. So yeah, that was a thank you to the driver. And without further ado, let's get started. And the end of the video, I would also, as a bonus, show you the decorations of Thailand. Though it was November, but they decorated it like in a all Christmassy vibe, and it was really beautiful. So yeah, let's go and enjoy the video.
छोटा बेबी भी है सोया हुआ. अपना कस्टमर लोग को बोल देते हैं तो तुरंत से पैदल चले जाएं एंजॉय करते हुए. सही रहेगा. कस्टमर लोग बोलेंगे हाथ पैर लाओ इसको बांध के इसको पुल के नीचे लटका दो. मिलते हैं देवल ने इसी से लड़ा था. नहीं, बाहुबली में दूसरा है. मेरे से नहीं लड़ना है? नाम लेते मेरे को लड़ने पे तुल गया, बोला मेरे मेरे बाबा से लड़ा था तेरा इंडिया वाला। बाहुबली वाला हुआ है सर, वो थक गया है ना। उसके सींग में आग लगा के दौड़ा रहे थे ना, दौड़ते दौड़ते थक गया।
With that, this was our last night in Thailand. It was a wonderful trip overall. We went to shopping, we went to Chathachak and other markets, other malls actually, shopping malls, and overall got a very nice Christmassy vibe. Look at the decorations. It was so wonderful, and we were surprised because it was like end of November, and we thought that the decorations probably would start at the beginning of the December. But yeah, as you can see, it was really beautiful. We had a great time and we enjoyed a lot. And with that, I'm going to end my video. Thank you so much. I would like to recommend you to watch my Thailand vlogs, and also if you like what you saw, please subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. You know I love you. Thank you.